If you are paying for the fast internet but still getting slow speeds, buffering videos, and lag while gaming, then this video is exactly you need because today I'm going to show you why your Wi-Fi is slow and how can you fix it in just a few minutes without calling your provider or spending a lot of money. First thing you need to do understand is your internet speed and your Wi-Fi performance are not always the same thing. Your provider might be giving you full speed to your home, but the way your Wi-Fi spreads that signal inside your house is what exactly matters. And that's where most people face issues. Let's start with the biggest mistake people make: router placement. Most people hide their routers in a corner, basement, closet, or behind a TV because they don't want to see it. But that is literally killing your Wi Fi signals. Wi Fi signals spread like a bubble around your router. So if your router is stuck in one corner, half of that signal is wasted outside your home. The best place for your router is somewhere central, open, and elevated, like on a shelf or table, not on the floor, not inside a cabinet, and definitely not behind metal objects. Even moving your router just a few feet can make a huge difference in speed and coverage. Next step is to many devices connected to your network. Today, every home has phones, laptops, smart TVs, cameras, gaming consoles, and even smart bulbs connected to Wi Fi. And all of these devices share the same bandwidth. So, when too many devices are active at the same time, your network slows down. One quick fix is to disconnect devices you are not using or check if your router has the feature called device management or QoS, which let you prioritize important devices like your phone, laptop over others. Another big reason your Wi Fi might be slow is that you are using an old router. Technology has improved a lot over the years. If you are still using a Wi Fi 5 router, you are missing out on better speed, better coverage, and better handling over multiple devices, and that comes with Wi Fi 6 or even with Wi Fi 7. Upgrading your router might sound expensive, but it's actually one of the best investment if you rely on internet for work, streaming or gaming. Newer routers are designed to handle modern homes with dozens of connected devices without slowing down. Now let's talk about interference. Wi-Fi signals can be affected by walls, floors, and even other electronic devices like microwaves, cordless phones, and baby monitors, especially in apartments or dense areas where many networks are overlapping. If you live in a place with many Wi-Fi networks, your router might be using crowded channel and that can reduce your Wi-Fi. Most modern router automatically switch channels, but you can also go into your router setting and change it manually for better performance. Another important thing people don't understand is that difference between 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz band. 2.4 gigahertz has longer range but slower speed, while 5 gigahertz has faster speed but shorter range. So if you are far from your router, your device might switch to 2.4 gigahertz, which feels slower. If you want maximum speed, always connect to the 5 gigahertz network when you are close to a router. And if your router supports band steering, it can automatically switch you to the best band. Now let's talk about a very simple but powerful fix: restarting your router. Yes, it sounds basic, but it actually clears temporary issues, refreshes connections, and can improve performance instantly. Just unplug your router, wait for 30 seconds, and plug it back in. You should also make sure your router firmware is up to date. Manufacturers release updates to improve performance, fix bugs, and enhance security. You can check this on your router setting or app. Another thing you can do is run a proper speed test. Don't just test once and assume your internet is slow. Test in different rooms, test in different times of the day, and try testing with a wired connection directly from the router. If wired speed is good but the Wi Fi is slow, then the issue is definitely your Wi Fi setup, not your internet plan. If you have a large home or multiple floors, a single router might not be enough. In that case, you should consider a mesh Wi-Fi system. Mesh system use multiple nodes placed around your home to create one seamless network with strong coverage everywhere. No dead zones, no drops. Always avoid placing your router near thick concrete walls, metal surfaces, or inside cabinets. These materials block Wi-Fi signals heavily. Even fish tank can reduce signal strength because water absorbs Wi-Fi signals. One pro tip from my experience in the field is always look at your environment. Every home is different. Sometimes just rotating your router antennas or changing its direction can improve coverage in specific areas. If you are still facing issues after trying all these steps, then it might be time to check with your provider. There could be a line issue, outdated equipment, or a plan that doesn't match your usage needs. But in most cases, the problem is inside your home and can be fixed easily with these simple changes. So, just to quick recap, place your router in a central and open area, reduce unnecessary devices, upgrade to a newer router if needed, avoid interference, use the right Wi Fi band, restart your router regularly, and consider mesh system for larger homes. If you follow these steps, you will see a noticeable improvement in your Wi Fi speed and overall internet experience. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more smart home and Wi-Fi tips. And if you have any question or like want me to cover a specific topic, drop me a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.